Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator in a Hyundai Accent. First, ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Gather your tools, including a drain pan, a wrench set, and a new radiator. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues. This preparation ensures a safe and efficient replacement process. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Position a large drain pan beneath the radiator's drain plug. Carefully open the plug and let all the coolant flow out. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Also, unclip any electrical connections, like those for the cooling fan, to free up the radiator. With the hoses and electrical connections detached, it's time to remove the old radiator. Locate and unbolt the mounting brackets or clamps that hold it securely. Gently lift the radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Take a moment to inspect the surrounding area for any signs of damage or other components that might need attention before installing the new one. Now, carefully lower your new radiator into the engine bay, ensuring it seats correctly. Reconnect all the hoses, securing them tightly with clamps. Don't forget to reattach any electrical connectors, making sure they click into place. Finally, refill the system with the appropriate coolant, typically around 6 to 7 liters, and bleed any air from the system for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.